Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. This is a typical situation at a controlled intersection where drivers must correctly assess traffic signals and traffic priorities. Traffic signals with additional sections often confuse drivers, especially new drivers. Let's see how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. What should the driver of the yellow car do? Option A, pull in front of the white car. Option B, let the white car pass. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. First, it's important to describe what we see in the diagram. The image shows a traffic situation. There are two cars at the intersection. Yellow car, stopped in front of the stop line in its lane. White car, on the other road, moving along the main road. There's a yield sign in front of the white car, but it only applies to the intersection after its turn, not to the current maneuver. In the oncoming lane, the yellow car has priority, yellow diamond. The white car has a green main traffic light. It's traveling on the main road, and its movement is regulated by the main light. The yellow car's main light is red, but the additional section with the straight-ahead arrow is on. This means the yellow car may proceed, but only if one mandatory condition is met. The arrow on the additional section with the red light permits movement, but with the obligation to yield to all vehicles. According to the rules, when the green arrow in the additional section is on simultaneously with the red main light, the driver may proceed only if they yield to vehicles moving on the main green light. This means a yellow car must yield to anyone going straight ahead or turning on the main green light, including a white car. So, a yellow car must yield to a white car because it moves under a green arrow when the light is red, and a white car moves under the main green light. It has the right of way. So, confess, who among you got the quickest answer right of way? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.